Hi guys. It is almost my birthday. I'm excited as hell. I am in Jamaica, still in Jamaica, and I wanted to make a video, and I keep saying I'm going to make a video, and I haven't made one in a while, but let me explain to you guys why. All right, so I'm trying to relocate to Jamaica, as you guys know if you've been following my vlogs. And when I say I'm trying to relocate to Jamaica, I have a place here in Jamaica. I have my TRN number. I have a bank account in Jamaica. I've been here about since June on and off, and what I keep doing is I'll come until I have business to take care of, and then I'll go back home. But what I'm back to Atlanta, see. But what I'm realizing is that I got a severe cut these ties with business, or either just realize that I'm not living in both. And do I have to commit to one or the other? I guess those are questions that I'm going to have to ask myself. But right now in Jamaica, the island has an 8 o'clock curfew. It's only 3 weekends, every day actually, and then the weekends, which would include the Easter holiday and the weekend before and after, they've restricted movement on the weekend. Like Saturday and Sunday, it's closed completely. So that is adding to the reasons why I don't want to commit all the way. Is although I don't go anywhere, I don't run the streets all day, I don't party, I don't go to friends and family houses often. I just run back and forth to the store, like to Walmart. We talked about this earlier. I'm not plugging Walmart. Like, I hate that obsession, and I try to stay out of Walmart. But if there was a Walmart here and I could just go to Walmart once or twice a day, that might resolve some of these issues. But it's not just Walmart. Like, I need to go to the store. I need to run out. Now, was that a habit I need to break? Is that bad? Like, I'm so confused. And then, right now, my business online is basically in Atlanta. Like, it's not, reached the point where it's selling nationwide. And I don't even know if I want to do that, because shipping is so expensive locally, let alone internationally. I think so. I don't know unless I'm making major money. But selling fast fashion is not really something I think I want to invest a lot of money in shipping. So here I am. I'm on week 3, needing a pedicure, needing a manicure, and needing my nails, my lashes done, needing my hair done. And I'm just kind of like, I don't know what to do. Like, I'm genuinely confused, and I'm tired of feeling like this. So, everybody, you see my pictures, not you, but people see my pictures that I'm posting, and they hear my stories, and they like, oh yeah, I would love to do that. And I never want to make it look like it's the easiest thing in the world. It took me probably a year to transition once I moved to Atlanta from Rochester. And when I say you go through a serious, a bit of depression, you do. You go through loneliness. You go through all kind of questioning if you made the right decision. It is so many things that you rethink that people don't understand, like how difficult. Well, I guess people do understand. That's why not a lot of people do it. A lot of people won't leave home. They won't leave. Like, not try. A lot of people try and fail too, but a lot of people just don't leave out of pure fear. And I'm not scared right now, but it's a very confusing time for me. So I just want people to think and remember. I had a conversation with somebody earlier today, and they were telling me that people, I need to change my mindset and just start thinking and not second guessing a lot of stuff. And if you're close to me, or if I share these videos, you'll know that I'm second guessing a lot of stuff. But if you never know, you just never know what kind of confidence I exude. I mean, you never know, because of the confidence that I exude in everything that I do. But what it is once I commit to something, I'm just going to do it. Like, whether, I do well at it or not, but eventually, you have to get off that track and turn around and realize, that it's not working for you. So my point in saying that is that it's not all easy. It's not easy. If you want to commit to it, then you commit to it and you do it, and you realize that there will be difficult days. There will be very hard days. There will be days when you cry. There will be days when you're lonely. There will be days when you're happy. There will be days when you just, find comfort in talking to strangers. And I don't do that. I don't need to talk to anybody that much. But I'm just saying there are different coping methods and mechanisms for people based on what their needs are. And I am a free spirit. I move. I've been driving. I've lived alone since I was, well, lived without parental guidance since I was 15. I've had vehicles, and I just go. When I'm ready to go, I get up and go. And here it's difficult because of the curfew, because I don't drive here, because Jamaica is completely different. Not in a bad way and not in a necessarily a good way. It's just different. So I guess that's when you have to learn the society that you're in and the social structure. So I'm learning that. I've been here plenty of times before, so I'm not a stranger to it. That doesn't make me feel lost. It just makes me feel like, I guess when kids go to college and come home, or they first go to college and they don't have friends. And then once a child goes to college and goes a couple times and they come back home and they realize they don't have friends. So I guess I'm in that in-between stage of finding a new home. I guess that's what this is. So, I never want, and I'm repeating myself because that's the purpose of this video, and I'm keeping myself on track as well. I never want people to think that I'm saying, oh, it's easy, it's all pretty, it's all glamorous, or that it's, something that everybody should do. And you'll have no problems and you'll be the happiest you've ever been in your life. I am much happier here. Of course, I miss my family tremendously, but at the end of the day, oh shit, a spider was just on me, so I don't like that shit. You gotta do what make you happy. You gotta do what genuinely makes your soul smile. And even sometimes when you do it for the wrong reason and you're still smiling and you realize the actual reason, if that makes sense. Sometimes if you want to cross the street, you might see an apple on the other side of the street you want, but when you get over there, you got the apple and you're really happy, and then you realize it's not the apple that made you happy, it's the other side of the street. So you live and you learn. You live and you learn. I have not made a lot of videos, so I wanted to share some more of myself with y'all. Even if it's the confusion that I'm feeling, I wanted to be able to share that with you guys and the people that are following my journey and watching me grow and move around. So thank y'all for listening, and thank y'all for watching. There will be other videos coming very shortly. My birthday is coming, and I think spending that in Jamaica and lockdown, it's going to be difficult. I think it's going to be very difficult. So we'll see what happens with that. Again, y'all, if y'all found the video useful, please like, subscribe, share, leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys are up to, and have a great day.